Ben and Simon do improv together, sponsored by Pepsi Max.
Yes, we're going to do improv together, based on a word.
Why are you so small, Simon?
It's perspective, Ben. It's a word taken from the Decameron. Say when.
When?
Point at a page. Built.
Ta-da!
What the heck is that? That's my house?
Yeah, it's cool, right?
It's not cool, it's ridiculous. What? It's in the shape of a Pokemon.
Nathan, when you said you wanted to design a house, this is what you get.
Andrew!
Nathan! It's a Pokemon house!
Andrew, why do I want a house in the shape of a Pokemon?
Not just any Pokemon!
Which Pokemon is it, Andrew?
What, you don't know?
Is it Pikachu?
No,
That's
Nathan!
the only one I know.
No!
What is it, Andrew?
It's Snorlax!
Snorlax? Is that a good one?
Look!
Yeah.
The front door
Yeah.
is where his belly button would be.
Okay.
Snorlax! You recognise Snorlax?
I'm not a Pokemon obsessive like you
Oh,
are,
come on!
Andrew, I know how much you love Pokemon. It's all you ever talk about, I know that. Except when you're talking about how great you are at building designer houses, which I stupidly believed.
Well, it looks like Snorlax!
I know it, well, I believe you that it does. I don't know that. I don't know what Snorlax is, but
And look
sure.
at his feet at the side.
They're big feet. What's inside the feet? Are they rooms?
Yes, rooms, of course, it's a house.
Okay, what room is in the left foot?
Whatever room you want depends what you put in the room.
I don't really want any
I'm
room.
not going to put your stuff in there for you. I'll just build the house. If you want that to be the study or the bedroom or whatever you want Snorlax's right foot to be,
Okay, sure.
well, that's what it'll be.
Sure, but when you're building a house, you do have to think about what the rooms are, because there's things like plumbing. Have you put a bathroom in? Have you put plumbing in for a bathroom, for instance?
The bath? You want a bath?
I want to, yeah.
You put a bath in.
Is there plumbing? Is there somewhere to connect it?
Snorlax doesn't have plumbing.
There's no plumbing. Are there any electricity cables? Is there wiring?
What, you want to... You got a...
Is it a house or is it just a giant model of Snorlax?
It looks cool.
I can't live in it, can I?
You can.
It's not
It's got a door and a belly button.
Yeah, but no, by the sounds of it, no electricity or heating or plumbing. Is it structurally sound? Have you tested it? Is it going to collapse?
I didn't know you were so obsessed with baths and electricity.
What's it made out of, Andrew?
Don't do it at the same time. It's dangerous.
Andrew, what's it made out of?
If you wanted electricity, I would have built you a Pikachu.
Andrew, I don't want a Pikachu. I want a normal house, and I want to know what this is made out of. Because it doesn't look like bricks to me.
Fur.
Fur? Actual fur?
Yes.
Okay, first of all, that's not structurally stable at all. Second, where the heck did you get this much fur?
Cats.
Cats?
Yes.
How many cats did you shave? Did you shave or I'm assuming you just shaved the cats.
All of them.
All the cats?
Yes.
This is why this has taken you 40 years.
Yes, ta-da! For goodness sake! I said I would build you a house.
I know.
Yes. Yes.
For 40 years, Andrew, I've been living in that caravan, never looking in this direction because you didn't want me to have
I know.
spoiled.
And now here you are, Nathan, your house is ready!
And
40 years!
You spent most of that 40 years shaving every cat in the world.
Not in the world, just the ones I collected. I didn't not shave any of the ones I collected.
Right. And how many cats did you collect?
God, over 40 years?
Yeah.
Probably, it's probably about 40 years.
You know, it doesn't matter, Andrew.
It works out about, probably about 4,000.
And what did you do with the cats after you shaved them?
I released them.
So now there were 40,000 shaved, well, they won't all still be alive, but there's a heck of a lot of shaved cats running about there. In the streets.
Yes!
And these poor cats, they're going to be cold. It's the winter's coming. We can't have naked cats running around the streets in the freezing weather. They're gonna die. We gotta round up those cats, Andrew. And we gotta make this, what's it called, Snorlax.
Yes!
We gotta make something good out of this Snorlax. We gotta turn it into a cat sanctuary for hairless cats.
Oh, Nathan, that's so good of you!
Well, it's making the best of a bad job, is what it is.
Nathan!
You're
A cat sanctuary!
Yeah.
A giant Snorlax cat sanctuary! Oh, you complete me!
I'm not happy about this, Andrew. Don't act like this
Oh,
is a
come
good
on,
thing.
Nathan, this is a good thing!
Alright, well, let's just start rounding up the cats.
Yes!
Oh, Flossie,
Yeah,
it's so cold.
it's freezing, isn't it?
Absolutely freezing. Do you think it's going to get any colder?
Every year I think, ooh, it's going to get cold again.
Yeah.
And it does.
I think it's colder than it has been before, though. I'll tell you what it is. There's two possibilities. Either it's climate change, or it's since that man rounded us up and shaved us.
Why did he do that? I
don't know.
I was wondering what that was going to be. I thought we were going to go into a shower or something afterwards.
I don't know, Flossie. I don't know what it was. I don't know. But then he just released us, which I was grateful for. But
I
now
was grateful. I was very
Yeah.
grateful. The mice are laughing at us. The rats
Yeah.
are laughing at
yeah,
us.
well, they've all got fur, so why for them?
Yeah. The mammoths are laughing at us.
Yeah.
Well, they would do if they were still
Most
around.
probably, yeah.
Yeah.
The Muppets,
The Muppets.
the big furry ones. Anyway.
I like the Muppets.
Yeah, well, I'm a bit jealous of them. They're furry, aren't they?
Yeah.
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 Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do, Flossie. We can't survive the winter like this.
No. I might just lick my ass.
Oh, Flossie, that's not going to help. We need to find a way of getting warm. We need to start a fire or something.
Do you want me to lick your ass?
Yeah, all right.
Okay.
But it still isn't going to help. We need to fire, but cats haven't invented fire yet. We don't know how to start a fire. Do you think we could in this time of need?
Start fires.
Yeah, learn to
Is that
make
that
fire.
yellowy sort of?
Yellowy, ready stuff.
Yeah.
It's
Really pretty.
and warm. Importantly, it's warm.
Oh yes, that's correct.
Yeah. If we could learn to start a fire,
Yeah.
because the humans, apparently, they learned to start a fire, and then it started all sorts of things happening.
Okay.
They invented like wheels then, and then that got the ball rolling, excuse the pun, sort of a pun, and then they invented all sorts of stuff.
Wow.
We can have all that.
That would
Cats.
be amazing.
But we gotta start with fire.
Well, what about that Vietnam vet who lives over there and his
Oh.
flamethrower in his back garden?
He might know how to start a fire.
Well, he's got a flamethrower in the back garden. We could take that.
Should we just take it without asking?
We're cats, you know.
We're
You might
cats,
just
yeah.
get away with it. I don't think.
Alright, yeah.
I can't imagine I've seen a photo fit down the police station.
Yeah, you're right.
It'd be ridiculous.
Yeah, well, we look the same as all the other shaved cats anyway. They
We
wouldn't
all
tell
look
us
the
apart,
same,
yeah.
wouldn't they? Yeah.
Yeah, we just got rid of the patterns. Alright, we'll
I
go
miss
and...
my pattern.
Yeah, I know. You look lovely, Flossie, with your stripes.
That was lovely, wasn't
Yeah.
it? You're a bit dull. Just Tabby, weren't you?
Tabby's nice. Sorry, Tabby.
Right, yeah. I still hang out with you.
Yeah. Well, it kept me warm anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go and nick that flamethrower.
Right.
Alright. Alright, Andrew. How many cats have you rounded up so far?
4, Nathan. 4.
4.
Yes.
Okay, they're all the naked ones?
Naked? Well, they're shaved.
Yeah, right, shaved. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I meant, yeah. Okay, well, I've
Okay,
found...
it's quite difficult.
Yeah, I
It's
found
quite-
it's difficult,
it
yeah.
is difficult.
They don't want to be caught, do they?
You know what they say?
Cats don't want to be caught?
Something like that.
Yeah, I've heard that, I've
Yeah.
heard that, and it's proven to be true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can.
Sometimes these well-known sayings like that, you think they might not be true, but this one really is.
Yeah.
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 Cats don't want to be caught.
Cats don't want to be
No.
caught. And I was really looking for. I thought they'd really enjoy their home made out of lots of them into
Yeah.
a giant Snorlax.
Well, I guess it would be like us living in a house made of human carcasses.
Ooh, not sure I'd enjoy
No,
that.
I wouldn't enjoy that, no.
No.
Still, it'll keep them alive. That's what they don't understand. They're too stupid to appreciate what we're doing for
Yeah,
them.
they just go scratching me. Anyway, these 4 are in the left foot room of Snorlax.
Okay, good. And we need to work faster. You claim to be this great inventor. You
Architect, designer, architect. For goodness
slash
sake,
inventor.
Nathan.
Well,
40 years.
okay.
Giant Snorlax.
I mean,
Ta-da!
yeah. Do your alleged abilities extend to inventing, say, machines, such as a machine to round up cats really quickly? I'm thinking like some sort of suction device, maybe. I'm just brainstorming here.
I'll tell you what, Nathan.
Yeah.
You
What
go
is
in
it,
your
Andrew?
caravan.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You wait in there.
Okay.
I'll come up with just the thing.
Okay.
You know me.
I do know
You know me.
Okay.
In your caravan.
How long's
in your
this?
car.
How long's it gonna take?
Ooh, I'll just give you a quick knock when
Okay.
it's ready.
Okay, I'll wait.
I'll
there.
give you a quick knock when it's
Okay,
ready.
I'll see you soon.
You're gonna love this one. You're gonna love this
I'm
one.
trusting you, Andrew.
Ah.
You let me down once, don't you let me down again.
It's a Snorlax!
If you let me down again, I'm writing you out of my will, alright?
What? It's a giant fucking Snorlax!
That's the problem. Okay.
Cat century Snorlax!
I'm giving you another chance.
Right, okay. Thank you, Nathan.
Alright. Good luck.
I've got it.
Oh, well
Yeah.
done. Well
Yeah.
done, Flossie.
I know, look, watch.
Oh, that's a lot of flames.
Yeah.
Oh, they're lovely and warm, but they don't last long. Set fire to that tree with it.
Oh, okay.
That'll burn for a while, won't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a bird up in that one.
Oh, fly away.
No, cook it.
Yeah. Oh, you got it. You got it. Oh, the whole thing's gone up.
You eat that.
Oh yeah. Oh, lovely and warm.
Mm.
Oh. Well, we're all right then, Flossie, aren't we? All we've got to do is set fire to all the trees,
Mm.
and we'll be warm forever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'll be good.
Yeah. You don't think anyone will try and stop us, do you?
No, of course not.
Because you know what humans are like.
Yeah.
If there's cats going around setting fire to all their trees with flamethrowers, they might get a bit funny about that.
Oh, yeah. I imagine that Vietnam vet's going to be a bit angry as well.
He might, but he can't run very fast because he's only got one leg, so
Yeah.
I'm not too worried about him. Well,
He's horrible, though. He's a big man. Can I lick your ass again?
alright. Maybe we should set fire to him. Well, it would give us some heat, and it would... Have I got worms again?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Oh, that's a shame. Well, what happens? If we set fire to him, gets rid of him, and gives us a bit more heat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll give it a go.
Alright.
I smell some bad. Something bad, something real bad. Hello? Whoa! Charlie on the wire! Cook's on the wire, coming down! Going down, get to the chopper!
Well, that works surprisingly well. Andrew!
Nathan, cover your eyes, cover your eyes.
Cover my eyes, I'm 90 years old now, I can hardly see a thing anyway.
I know it's been a while,
It's been 50 years,
Yes.
Andrew.
Yes.
How many of those naked cats even still alive? Because cats don't live that long.
The 4 that we got are dead.
Yeah, I thought they would be.
But you should see the rest of the town, like all these, they're not naked, they're just hairless cats. They kind of
Okay.
evolved into a hairless state.
Oh, really? Lamarckian
Yes.
evolution.
Yes.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Yes.
Okay.
One of them killed a Vietnam vet.
Did it?
He
Okay.
just went just like that.
Okay. Well, how's the device coming along?
Oh, it's brilliant. Check
Yeah.
it out.
Oh, it's finished.
Ta-da!
That's the device for sucking up cats.
Yes. What do
Really?
you think?
Well, I'll tell you what I think, Andrew. It doesn't look like I expected it to look. Well, in a way, it looks exactly like I expected it to look.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's another Pokemon, isn't it?
Yes,
Yeah, which one
yeah.
is this?
Burtax.
Burtax, right. Yeah, I don't know that one.
Burtax.
Yeah.
Burtax.
Yeah.
Burtax.
Yeah, sure. Saying its name again doesn't help. Does it actually function as a cat sucking up device, or is it like the house that was just a model of a Pokemon? You know what? Don't even answer, just show me it sucking up a cat. Let me see it in action.
Okay. There's a cat.
Yeah. I don't know how that one got in there. It's not a hairless one, but I guess it's a proof of concept, it'll work.
Oh, well, it makes the noise. It makes it. I mean, if you
Andrew!
Look, if I was to get the cat and put
Yeah.
it in there, it would go in.
Andrew, 50 years you've had to develop this.
50.
50 years.
Oh,
What else have you, is that all you've been doing for the last 50 years?
I guess so. I feel like I feel suddenly aged it a lot more.
Yeah.
I think it must have been inventing these things that kept me going, kept me so young.
Well, I wish I'd had something keeping me young. I've been
I must
feeling...
be 112.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I've lost track now. All this time and all you've come up with is a model of a
Burtax.
Burtax, yeah,
Yeah,
that
and
makes a sucking noise.
Snorlax, which has kind of dropped down, his head's sort of sunken inside.
Yeah, and I spent all my time just waiting in this caravan.
Yeah. Yeah.
Andrew, I feel like we've wasted our lives.
Wasted our lives. You've got a deflated Snorlax cat sanctuary with
Yeah.
4 dead cats in it, and a Burtax which would suck up imaginary cats if there were any more around.
Well, there were as many imaginary cats around as you can imagine.
Well, then maybe we should just do that.
Suck up imaginary cats and keep them in the deflated cat sanctuary.
Yes.
In a way, it sounds completely pointless, but it'll give us some purpose to our final years, I guess.
Yes. And we can get out of that caravan a bit more.
I would like to get out of the caravan, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we're gonna want a home for imaginary hairless cats then.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's go and start sucking some up.
Okay.
Okay.
Flossie. Yes.
I feel so old.
I do too.
I don't think any cats ever lived this long before.
This is probably a world record.
Well, I suppose since we discovered fire
Mm.
and invented the wheel and basically developed our own cat civilization,
Yes, yes.
we have naturally increased our lifespan in the same way that humans' lives got a lot longer once they invented agriculture and medicine and so forth.
Yes, yes.
So that it actually is perfectly logical when you think about it.
Definitely, absolutely logical. We even know how to make proper houses. Those humans
We
were making
do.
ridiculous houses.
We do.
Look
They
like
did.
a dead panda.
Yeah. Oh no.
Idiots.
Yeah.
Idiots.
No. The only proper way to make a house is to make just a giant cardboard box.
Yes, a giant cardboard
That's
box.
what you want to get in.
with a ball in it, and that's
all
what
you
more
need.
could you want?
They make it too complicated.
They do.
They do. It's
They
ridiculous.
do.
Yeah.
And they don't need all of that career.
No.
Don't need all of that furniture.
You know,
Don't need all of that mortgage crap.
You know,
Cardboard
Flossie,
box and a ball.
I feel sorry for them, Flossie.
I feel sorry.
I think what we should do is make one of our cardboard boxes into a human sanctuary.
A human sanctuary.
I built a machine.
Put
Just,
a ball in there.
yeah. I built a machine for sucking up humans.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Let me have a look. Ooh, that looks brilliant.
Yeah.
Much better than what a human could do.
Yeah, it's like an
A
actual
human would just
machine.
probably make just a Burtax that doesn't work at all.
You probably would. That's stupid. Yeah, yeah. No, this really works. Look, I'll switch it on. It will suck up whoever the nearest human is.
Oh
They'll just get sucked right into it. You watch this.
Whoa.
Andrew!
Nathan, how did we get in here?
I don't know, where are we? It's like a giant cardboard box.
Whoa. Oh, there's a ball. Well, this
Yeah.
isn't so bad, is it?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, you know, that is
Is it?
kind of fun.
When you hit the ball, it rolls.
There doesn't seem to be any way out of here.
Well, I guess this is...
We should try to escape, mind you. Hey, look at the ball.
Oh, you know what else is fun?
What's that? Oh, that's it's kind of nice. I think I kind of like that.
Yeah, I've always wanted to do that.
Yeah, I'm sorry about the worms.
That's not true.